Welcome back everyone. Today we're going to be using the Vibe blender to make some red lentil wraps. These are really great allergy friendly wraps that you can use to mop up curries, use them for Mexican food, or simply pack them for school lunches with some fresh veggies. These wraps are gluten free, they're nut and dairy free as well, and they're really tasty. They're very easy to make, so let's get straight into it. To get started, rinse 1 cup of red lentils under running water and then add them straight to your blender jug. Add 2 cups of water and then let that soak for 1 to 2 hours. You don't need to drain the lentils at this point. Simply add half a teaspoon of salt, 1 to 2 teaspoons of maple syrup or honey, and half a teaspoon of garam masala. Blend this on nut mode for 30 seconds. After you've blended it, the batter will look fluffy and the lentils will begin to sink to the bottom. To get cooking, heat a heavy based, well-seasoned non-stick pan to medium heat. Brush the pan with some ghee or coconut oil, and then pour about 1/4 cup of the batter straight into the center of the pan. Lift and rotate the pan to guide the batter to the edges into a circular shape. Cook for about 2 minutes or until the surface looks dry, and then slide a spatula underneath and flip. Cook for a further 1 to 2 minutes, and then transfer to a plate. Between each pour, give the batter a stir to make sure that the consistency remains even. Once cooled, these wraps are ready to eat, or they can be stacked and stored in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 5 days or frozen for up to 6 months. So that's how simple and easy and quick it is to make your own homemade lentil wraps in the Vibe blender. That batch with just 1 cup of red lentils makes between 4 and 6 wraps depending on the size of your pan. It's a great way to get a little bit of extra protein into your diet, and if you've got allergies or dietary requirements and need to be gluten-free, nut-free, dairy-free, then this is perfect for you. If you haven't already, then hit subscribe to see more of our Luvele life recipes. Check out the blog as well. And if you enjoyed this video today, then give it a like for us. We'll be back very soon with another recipe.